There's a stranger in my bed. There's a pounding in my head. Glitter all over the room. We flamingos in the pool. I smell like a mini bar. DJ's passed out in the yard. Barbie's gonna barbecue. This a hickey or roots.
We could turn back time to the good old days.
I had it up online. I screwed up. Oh well. It's a black blur, but a pretty sure it rolled. Damn. It's Friday night.
Now we fixed our credit cards and get kicked out of the bar, so we hit the boulevard.
It's Friday night.
Damn, it's drinking in the park.
Skinny dipping in the dark.
Then had a menage a trois.
It's Friday night.
Yeah, I think we broke the law.
Always say we're gonna stop. It's Friday.
I'm scared of a police officer coming to find me. Should I try my wheelie? I'm not very good at them. Well, you only get good one way. Oh yeah! Okay! Little wheelie. Don't pull out! Don't pull out, you white truck! I know you see me! Good boy! Ah! Champagne! Holy smokes, look at those hay bales. Look at them. We're gonna go that way. Oh, gravel. Wasn't bad. Alright, should we try that wheelie again that I can't figure out how to do? Ah, okay. Oh yeah. Okay. You know what? We're gonna figure that out. We're gonna learn that one. I'm gonna learn how to do a wheelie. Just mark my words, I'm gonna learn how to do a wheelie. I'm gonna change to nammerz.rr. And I'm gonna do wheelies all the time. I promise. I'm gonna learn one day. Just not yet. 25? Is that 25? Yeah, 25. Okay. Oh, that's a felony. I'm gonna go to jail. Let's just, slow down. I don't really want to go to jail.
Up in the music and rock your body right.
Come on, rock that body.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with